How to use voucher on Lazada. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you on how you could use vouchers on Lazada on the different products that you're going to buy. Now, to check how many vouchers you have, you can simply click on account over here on the bottom right. And you will see here you have coins and voucher center. If you click on the voucher center, you will be able to see different vouchers that you can actually claim and use. For example, we have this first one over here on the 11.11 sale. You can simply click on collect. And as you can see, we now have the option to use this voucher. And you also see over here on the top right, it says 7. So if you select this logo or icon on the top right, you will be able to see all the different vouchers that you actually have and can use. So if you click on use now, you will be redirected to another page wherein you can select or check out different items where this voucher is applicable. You can also view items on your cart so you could use the voucher. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.